In the final portion of this project, you're going to actually look at 5 individuals and try to figure out what the premium should be charged to them for hazard, life, and auto insurance. I'm not going to have you do the health portion as it gets a little bit more confusing. So again, as I walk you through this, you'll see that you'll have 5 individuals that you're going to pick out of 16 possible. You choose the ones you want to look at. What we have is we're going to have the same things we've been doing all along. We're going to have the probability of claim times the premium minus payout, and the probability of claim or no claim times the premium. So remember, 1 minus the probability of a claim is the probability of no claim, or 100 minus. And we're going to find that when we add the probability of a claim times the premium to a probability of no claim times the premium, that becomes 1. And then that probability times the payout is negative. You'll add that to the other side, and that will be how you find out the hazard life insurance policy premium and the life insurance for 12 months. When you get to the auto insurance, you're going to have premium uh, minus the expected number of claims times the expected value of a claim. And once you multiply those, you'll just add them to the other side. So you're going to have a list here of 5 candidates you choose to look at. You're going to put their hazard, life, and auto premiums on this slide. Here are the individuals to choose from, each having some different information about what their hazard insurance is, different life and different auto. And then you're going to have to look at actual probability tables, find out what the probabilities of those things are. So you have an actuarial table for life insurance, one for hazard insurance, and one for auto insurance. Remember, the auto insurance, you're going to multiply the probability times the number of claims, and then you're going to find the cost of claims times the probability of that type of claim, and then multiply those together, and then add that to the other side to find out what the premium the individual is going to pay for that insurance is. For each individual, you're going to have a slide where you type in their name at the top, and then you're going to show your work of how you figured out their hazard, life, and auto. Again, you can either type that in, or you can actually take a picture and upload it and put it into the text area, making it easier for you to show your work that way.